Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to copy text directly from Word documents into WordPress. So this is your WordPress site and let's take a look at our themes. We're going to create a new post now. And this is the text that I want to copy from a Word document. You see, it has already been formatted. It has bullet points, it has numbers. So I'm just going to highlight everything and paste it in Word. So Ctrl A, Ctrl C, that's to copy, and then you paste. Ctrl V. So it copied all the text, but it didn't copy the formatting properly. For instance, the headers are not properly formatted. So I'm going to do that manually. This is the title. And this is a header, so I'll just convert that to header. H2. I'll convert this to H2 as well. I'll convert this to H2. This. The numbered points they're still numbered. Still, this one is okay. The numbered list. I mentioned earlier that they were bulleted lists. They're actually no bulleted lists, just numbered lists. Then we can add an image. You can take from the media library, or you just upload. Okay. Now when you are done, remember you do the featured image. To do that, you just click post. Set the featured image. When you are done, click publish. So let's take a look at the post. So what's showing at the top is the featured image, because that's how it's set in the theme. Then these are the images and this is the post, so you can see how it looks. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. and click the bell notification icon so that you can keep updated on our new posts. Thank you.